Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, I don't know what is the occasion. Mseleku has been posting Mayeni of late, and Mayeni kuphela. Mina I had noticed actually ukuthi Mseleku, if a poster unkosikazi wakhe oyedwa uvele aposte labanye, like ubaposta bonke kanye kanye usually, but of late hayi isithandwa sakuqala sihamba phambili, yiso ngiyakutshela. And I was seeing under the comments of this post, hey, it's a big it's funny how as people abantu, they have their favorites nje ngoba Mseleku. Abanye they love uMakay more than anyone else, abanye they love Mamkhulu Macele, abanye they love Mayeni, abanye they love Mangwabe. So those who love uMayeni bayasho under the post bathi bona Kwakuvele Kumele Kubenje Kwasekuqaleni bengakazi ixokozela. Hey, Mangwabe yosisi labo Macele lithi bengakazi ixokozela Nkosi yami kuthiwa Kwakumele Kubenje. Kodwa guys, anyways, Mayeni has said it before. I think it was on her wedding day, right? The one that aired on Uthando Nesthembu. She did say, on her wedding day when she was beautiful, bebahle nomyeni wakhe uMayeni bantu. Washo uMayeni wathi yena vele kwakumele kubenje Kwasekuqaleni bengakafiki laba abanye, kwakumele kubenje nje. But unfortunately, akuyiphela ngokuthanda kwakhe Nkosi yami. Shame uMayeni, akuyi ngokuthanda kwakhe. I'm sure kusiya ngokuthanda kwakhe nganje kwavele kwabanjalo kwagcina kunjalo. Manje ubaba Mseleku yena wayelenye ivision yakhe, right, yokuthi no, awusuze Mayeni phela ube wedwa, kumele bebe khona oMacele, kumele bebe khona ongwability labo Makay, so awusuze nje ube wedwa. But otherwise, bayafanelana guys, bayafanelana. So on the comment section, abanye abantu bathi bona ubaba Mseleku uMayeni is his favorite. Bayasho bathi bona uMacele washaya uMayeni ngestina, kodwa ubaba Mseleku, yebo uMacele ngumamkhulu, kodwa ubaba Mseleku inhliziyo yakhe ekuMayeni ayisimi ngabantu comment section. Batsho njalo, bayalwa kahle comment section. Manje bayabuza ukuthi hawu wena uthi inhliziyo kababa Mseleku ikuMayeni, wazi ngani ukuthi kuMayeni. Abanye bayeza bathi bona hayi ifavorite kababa Mseleku ngubani? uMakhumalo, yiyo ifavorite kababa Mseleku. Kuyalwa nje comment section, omunye lomunye ulwela ifavorite yakhe guys, of which mina personally I think ubaba Mseleku amakhosikazi akhe uyawathanda wonke, and because phela bonke ba different, so like what can I say, probably ubathandela into ezijiyeneyo bonke ngokuhlukana kwabo. Yabona uMangwabe is a no nonsense taker, and uMangwabe nje is that type of a woman nje ohlezi encengwa into enjalo, yabona, like nje vele akafuna ubumbula uMangwabe. Probably ubaba Mseleku umthandela khona lokho, yabo. uMayeni yichomi kababa Mseleku, bathanda ukudlala, like into yabo nje yaflow, ayazi yashelela nje, even their conversations uyabona man ukuthi ngathi they are more like friends, bazichomi, baqede lapho bayathandana and all, yabo. uMakay unjani kanti? Makay is a hard worker. Makay is very supportive. Yo, how did I forget this one? Makay is very supportive. Makay uyayithanda indoda yakhe. yazi mawuthi indoda mangithi indoda yakhe ngathi alihloniphisi leli bala, but umakhe uyamthanda umyeni wakhe, uyamthanda, uyameseka, ubheda kumnyama kubomvu, uyameseka umakhe. Angamani umakhe asale eyedwa you know on the side yomyeni wakhe. So ubaba Mseleku layo maybe layo umthandela khona lokho. So what I'm trying to say is like they play different roles empilweni yakhe. That's what I think. So obviously uyabathanda bonke differently, right? Umayeni wake washo yena wathi yena ama relationships abo with their husband are different because they are different, you know. So yeah, hayi bahle shem, bahle. Kuthiwa kwakuvele kumele kubenje bengakafiki omacele labo mangwabe labo makhumalo. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section, guys. There's something that I want to address before I go. Guys, but I think too, let's address some other time. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.